Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. Well, 50 days?
Yeah.
24th September. That's when, we started our journey from Kolkata to Guwahati. 3rd November, Indian team world champions. We still have 1.5 days to go. We are in Mumbai waiting to know, understand and follow what will be the celebration of okay. The celebration cannot be me getting hit by an auto. So yeah, of course waiting to know what would be the exact celebration. Will there be a victory parade? If yes, when, where, etc. So we'll keep bringing those updates to you. But as of now, let's talk about the coverage. Snehashish, the thing with journalism is people don't understand the profession well. People think that for journalists it's very nice. You're traveling all over the country at times many a times outside the country for 50, 60 days. And then you're meeting players.
Yes.
You are meeting players, you're talking to them, fan moments happening all the time. Because when you're in the press box, the former players coming in, say for example Ian Bishop, Nasir Hussain, and of course Mithali Raj, Julian Goswami, Anjum Chopra, Reema Malhotra, everyone is there and you can chat with them,
Yes.
you can talk to them, and that makes our job easy.
Yes, I think as you mentioned that as a media professional or as a journalist, you get to have a chat with this kind of personalities. Obviously, I think
My question is the job easy?
no, definitely not. I think as you mentioned that everyone thinks from outside of the world that
Grass is greener on the other side.
Yes, that when you are working as a media personnel, then you have all the easy access to the players, to former players also,
Yeah.
and obviously you have a lot of tickets under your belt.
Yes, that's true. That's one more misconception, guys. It's not tickets. It's this accreditation card, which gives us access. So let's talk about the coverage. I think we started off in Guwahati, and one thing, we reached everywhere before India. We are going to go home probably after in India.
Maybe. Or
Depends.
may not.
Depends.
Yeah, depends
They're all
on how
what
they
all
celebrate.
celebrations go on. Yes, absolutely. If I have to ask you, what was your favorite leg of the coverage? I know the answer, but of course for the viewers.
The Indore leg. I know the team didn't manage to win that game in Indore against England, but the way the team practiced in Indore over the 4 days, the intense practice sessions, Harmanpreet Kaur's solo session, Smriti Mandhana's solo practice session, on the eve of that in particular England match, I think those were superb. I think both you and me have been discussing about those practice sessions, particularly the learnings that you saw and the way team came up with different plans and all. The focus was there, and we loved to cover those practice sessions. And we
Absolutely.
talked about those when we recorded videos also, when we do the live shows also. But I think that Indore leg was special and it was superb. Unfortunately, it didn't end that well because we lost that match, despite it was a winnable game for us. We were in that game for a long time, but unfortunately we didn't
We
win.
should have
but
won that game.
yeah.
We bottled it up.
Yes.
We messed up the
But that was the
chase,
best
but
thing.
and of course the realization that practice sessions
Can be exciting.
are more exciting actually and this is something that I think you will see Rohan and I have also discussed, that practice sessions are way more interesting than the match. I know
So
it
many
sounds very
angles.
weird, but there are so many angles. You're always trying to understand how the players are thinking, how the team is thinking, what could be the possible combination, what is the team preparing for, and all sorts of things, when you see those practice sessions. So I think that is a learning that you are going to take.
Yes, absolutely. I think throughout this whole World Cup journey, I think we have I don't think I'm saying that every practice session that we have covered, I think it has been superb. If you see in the Navy Mumbai leg also, from 20th we are here. So right now I think it's 15 days now. So over the 15-16 days,
We don't need that reminder.
yeah. So over the 15-16 days, every practice sessions and obviously all the 4 matches that we have covered have been special. And especially the last 2, what we have witnessed, I think the semi-final clashes. And obviously the grand final that we witnessed yesterday, the history. So I think it has been superb. But so many learnings throughout the journey. What could have been better from ourselves, for our end also.
Yeah.
So I think we can come up with better presentation in the upcoming tours, in the upcoming videos and pieces also. So let's see how it pans out. But overall, it has been a fantastic day.
Yeah, but also there is one thing that I've learned, that people, there are, for every troll there is a supporter, and for everyone who's criticizing our work sitting at home, because it was amazing to see so many journalists commenting on the, especially on Boriada's tweet from time to time, whatever he writes out of passion. People love to take it in a negative way, and they mess up with that. There are a lot of people who said we should apologize for criticizing the team. So let me make this clear. Now that we have won the World Cup, we really want to say to the team and to everyone, we are not going to apologize when we criticize, because it is not about one single person singling that person out and criticizing. We have always said what we have seen. The best part about our coverage has been, whenever we have come out for shows, there have been people who have come and met us, who have come and told us that they have loved the coverage, and they have texted us over and over again. Somebody came with food. Those are the moments that make you realize. And yesterday somebody told me, I was just saying that, what, we were the only platform, one of the only platforms who was criticizing when the team was going wrong. We were calling a spade, and people now are going to attack us because they will not realize that it is all honest to our honest job. And I was reminded that when you took the job, you knew that this is the side effect. It is important to ask yourself at the end of the day, are you honest to your job? If you are, then you should not care about what people have to say, and that's about it. We want to thank our supporters, because every time any of you have come and spoken to us, every time you have come and encouraged us, Snehashi, it has been lovely.
Absolutely. And the recent example is yesterday, during a mid-inning show, that when I was writing the mid-innings report and you and Shamikda were doing the live show, mid-innings live show, then suddenly one guy came up and just clearly said to me that, okay, you are Snehashi, right? You are from Rev Sports. So I was like, yes. And then he said that obviously I follow you guys. You guys have been doing well throughout the World Cup. Then he also met you and Shamikda.
Yep.
Also, he was also talking about Boria sir also. So I think that is what that I think we have earned a little bit. I think throughout the World Cup. We have traveled all 5 cities. In 5 cities, I think we have met different kind of people, and they have all been praiseworthy of our work, and that is what we have earned, and that is kind of motivate us and kind of motivated us throughout this journey also.
Yeah, because it has been tough, physically taxing, mentally taxing. And by the way, for people thinking it's all hunky-dory and all that, yes, we witnessed history, but here's the thing. I've been traveling almost the entire year.
Yes.
I have missed my birthday. I have missed my mom's birthday. We have missed Durga Puja.
Yeah.
We have missed Kali Puja, and we have missed Bhai Dooj. So there are a lot of sacrifices which goes into our profession as well. One last line. Maybe if you cannot say good things, don't disrespect. But if you want to, please go ahead. And for the supporters, I repeat against, we are absolutely blessed to have you guys around. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And Snehajish, we
World
form a
champions.
solid team together, and world champions now, absolutely historical. Do keep following Rev Sports, because of course the content never stops, because the world of sports doesn't stop. Good morning, world champions. Have a good day.
Thank you.